I would say, and this is how I do it. I just my approach, legit. If I were you right now, what? And I don't know what your budget is, so that would factor in maybe a little bit differently. But what I would be doing is throwing in all the keywords because
Yeah,
I want to find some that have a 10% ACOS. And maybe I throw in hundreds of keywords and I only find four keywords that have a 10 to 12% ACOS, but then I can use those four keywords to make me profitable sales over and over and over and over and over again. And then through those profitable sales, I'll get some reviews and these things will start to compound.
but what if that 10% in ACOS, the search volume is quite low?
Still very helpful. Still very helpful. Extremely helpful. Yeah. Because
Okay.
that's Amazon showing a legit sell, even if it's on a smaller keyword. Fine. And especially that might be what you have to do here is get sales through smaller keywords, smaller search volume keywords, and then
Makes sense.
as you grow, get more sales, more reviews, more inventory history. Then you'll start to rank and be able to capture sales inside of those larger search volume, more competitive keywords.
Makes sense.
But what's so interesting at the beginning is you just don't there's so many different keywords people are using and you don't know which ones are the best ones for you. And in my opinion, the easiest way to figure that out is just throw them in PPC, let it run for a little bit, turn off the ones that aren't, and go from there.
So how many? So for example, this campaign I had, the first ever one I did had about, I think 200-300 keywords.
So
how much would I?
Yeah, how much budget would you give that? So what I would do.
Yeah, and how long would I run it for?
Right. So you've seen how Amazon will, how certain keywords will hog all of your budget. They'll just take it and keep taking it, and Amazon won't disperse it to other keywords. So this is kind of annoying, but what I try and do is instead of launching a campaign that has 200 keywords in it, I'll try and separate out those 200 keywords into 8 different campaigns of 25 keywords. So then I have a better chance of Amazon dispersing evenly and one keyword not hogging all of my budget, especially if that keyword's not profitable, but Amazon just keeps feeding it my budget and it's not testing out the other keywords.
Yeah.
That's worst case scenario for me. So what I do is I try and create small campaigns with a small number of keywords, 15 to 25 keywords, something like that. But even then, Amazon will still sometimes just pick one keyword, and that one keyword will just hog all the budgets. But anyways, that's how I'll set it up, and I'll let it run. I'll come back the next day, and I just keep a close eye on it because, especially at the beginning, I really, really don't want a keyword or multiple keywords to run away with all of my budget and do it at a loss. So I come in and I poke at it every day, and I just look and see okay, click into this campaign, how much has been spent, which keywords has the budget been going to, are they profitable, are they not profitable, and I just manage it, and I manage it daily for, within 2, 3, 4, 5 days, you should have been able to pretty much tested most of those keywords and turned off all the bad ones and found some good ones. And that's just me, man. 15 to 25 keywords.
I would have never known that,
Yeah. You've definitely seen how they hog the budget. Now it's just and that's all I did is I was like, man, this is just my budget's going to one keyword and the keyword's not even profitable. What this doesn't work. It's not helping me at all. So then I just came up with if I want all these keywords to get tested evenly, what's kind of a way I can set stuff up to have a better chance at that. So that's where I kind of came up with a 15 to 25 keywords in a campaign and just create a bunch of different campaigns. But that is super annoying. It's not as not as easy to manage. So this is another really good one. Unless you've got any questions, I've got another little PPC thing we can move into.
No, yeah, you go.
Okay. So just automatic campaigns.
Yes, I've never tried that. What does that even mean?
So you know how in a manual campaign you choose the keywords and you say Amazon target these keywords?
Yeah.
Automatic campaign, Amazon automatically chooses what keywords it's going to go target. So you don't input any keywords or anything. You just say.
All right.
So it takes a look at your listing, and based off of your listing, will do its best job to find relevant keywords. Sometimes it does okay, and like sometimes you can run auto campaigns profitably. I'd honestly, in my experience, most of the time, I don't know if most is right, but a lot of the time, auto campaigns don't really run profitably. But the thing is, the real reason you want to run auto campaigns is because,
Get the keywords.
yep, exactly. Because as Amazon's going out and finding those keywords, after it's done that, it will give you a report of all those keywords, and it'll tell you, which ones have converted for you and at which ACOS, at what your ACOS was on it. And so that's just a really, really, so like instead of going to Cerebro or competitors' listings, your Amazon's doing that heavy lifting for you and building you a key list, a keyword list. So
yeah, I also want to ask as well. Is it important, because I was looking at the click-through rates as well. Is that something you need to sort of pay attention to?
So my opinion on click-through rates for Amazon PPC, I have some keywords that will have like a 20% click-through rate and not get profitable conversions for me. I'll have another keyword that has like a 0.05% click-through rate and it gets profitable conversions for me. So honestly, I don't care what the click-through rate is. I just care what how our conversion's happening and what the ACOS is. Is it profitable for me? I just don't see how the click-through rate, like paying attention to that, I just don't see how that's going to lead me to making more sales. Or like, but if I can find keywords that are actually making sales at a profit, then great. But I've just seen it too many times where a keyword will have a really high click-through rate but not make me sales, and ones with really low click-through rates will make me sales. So I don't know. I don't get too hung up on click-through rate. I just try and pay attention to what's making sales and are they profitable.
Okay.
And then with the auto campaign, that one I'll even run it at a little bit of a loss just so I can essentially like buy that keyword report. If it's at a huge loss, then maybe not, but likely it won't be at a huge loss. But even if you don't like the idea of running it at a loss, like I'd even still say still run it at the beginning here and get the keyword report and then use those keywords.
That's after like 4 or 5 days.
Yeah, 4 or 5 days. Give it a week, maybe something like that. And you don't have to give it much per day. You could give it five a day, $10 per day, but just enough so it can start to build you a report, like a keyword list.